Global Desi team is really excited because we have Global Desi on the ramp today. And what you'll see tonight is some beautiful prints, some prints which have the Buddha motif on them. Just everything that you have in Global Desi. Very excited about the collaboration with Liva. All the clothes are in Liva. I am wearing Liva myself. So yeah, here's the Global Desi Liva show.
I have been wearing Global Desi for a while, and in fact I'm wearing it right now. It's been fun wearing it, so easy to put on, and it's vibrant, it's colourful, I love the cuts. Very much looking forward to what is on display today. I have no idea. So very excited.
I picked up some clothes for my wife, and generally I've seen the brand. It's boho chic, it's edgy, it's free-spirited. I think it really complements the Indian woman. I do expect something which would be, again, spectacular, fascinating, with an attitude, with that little edge, and of course, free-flowing.
I love the saris from Global Desi, as well as there's a romper that I really liked from Global Desi, and the maxi dresses in the new Liva fabric. I thought that was fabulous. With the dancers performing live was very unique and had a lot of energy in it, which was evident in the clothes that later came on the ramp.
The runway show was fab. I love the Global Desi clothes. I mean, they're really, so easy to wear, and I love the Liva fabric, and I love the designs of Liva. They were really interesting. I think the outfits that you saw today, I felt like it, you felt alive when you saw them. I've worn some of them also, and you feel really like, fun and alive and very like happy colors and really nice.
I think Global Desi is boho chic, basically signifies boho chic, and I think I like to dress like that, especially in my kind of everyday dressing. I like that carefully casual kind of look where you have different elements, where you have color. At the same time, it's feminine and it's graceful, but it's quirky. And I think young, fun, spunky, I think that's what Global Desi is, and I think I enjoy that. So I was really excited to dress like that. I loved what I was wearing. I love these bits. I was actually saying I want more for my head, I want more for my neck. So it was fun.
I think Aditi is fabulous. Like I say, you can have to just look at her. This is her looking absolutely comfortable and feeling the garment that she's wearing, which is most important. And this is she would wear Global Desi all the time, like she just said.